wanted to show you my Animal Jam account. Well, I do play it with my profile picture, obviously, but yeah. Well, I've started this a very long time ago. I've got quite a lot of betas and rares, and yeah, here is all my clothes I've got, and yeah. I've also got a robot, and I'm willing to give away some betas and rares if you want. And by the way, if you want the internet I'm using this on my tablet. You need to download Puffin Browser. There's a demo and there's a full version. I've got the full version. And yeah, here's all my animals. Yeah, so I remember when I first started this. I think I got my membership on my 3rd day. Yeah, I like the game so much. And yeah. So I have got more dens right here. And so far my favourite one is Enchanted Hollow. It's just so cool to me. And yeah, so I'm going to start doing videos in AG on awesome happenings and other stuff like that, like nail time and all that. And yeah, and also if you want my name, it is down here, XX Dark Shadows XX. So yeah, add me if you want. My friend request is on. Oh, I'll unlock a den for you guys. And yeah, I'll be doing a new video soon, and basically that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe and comment if you wish, and bye.